What if you could get in on the ground floor of the next big investment trend? A blockchain stock is skyrocketing, and its potential is staggering. As the digital age unfolds with unprecedented speed, many investors are left in the dust, unaware of the money-making opportunities right under their noses. Don't be part of the crowd that misses out. A few astute traders have already witnessed gains of over 800% in just months, and this surge shows no signs of stopping. This is not just another trend, it's a revolution. And those who think it's a passing fad are in for a shocking surprise. Remember 2020? Blockchain stocks were often dismissed, laughed at by traditional investors. Fast forward to 2023, and these stocks have birthed a wave of overnight millionaires. Time has proven that fortunes can pivot on the innovative prowess of blockchain technology. Investors from all walks of life are now clamoring to understand this once undervalued sector fully. So the questions are, will history repeat itself in 2025? And more importantly, will you be ready to seize your chance when it does? It's vital to recognize that this is not merely about cryptocurrency. It is an evolution of industries. Amidst this backdrop, one particular company has emerged, positioned to become a frontrunner in the blockchain sphere. Rumor has it its stock is trading below $5. Yes, you read that right. A mere whisper compared to the soaring values of its competitors. If this company continues on its current trajectory, imagine what that can mean for your investment. Eye-popping returns await those bold enough to take the plunge. But as with all investments, caution is crucial. This is a clarion call. The name of this hidden gem is protected for now, only to be revealed to those who show interest and curiosity. Don't wait to be left behind. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of this potential goldmine? If the thought of missing such a pivotal moment sends shivers down your spine, it's time to take action. Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment saying "Stock Please" to ensure you receive exclusive insights directly to your inbox. This could be your moment to turn the tide of your financial future. The clock is ticking and the opportunity is right. Don't let doubt hold you back. Subscribe now and prepare to leap into a world of possibilities.